Rusty, what are you barking at? You're looking right through the slats. Laying right in the bird seed. Boy, these birds, they make a mess. They make a darn mess. I bought them 25-pound bag of food and they still have it scattered all over the freaking place. Yeah, let's go see what kind it is. It says it is Zanilla's wild bird feed. Yeah, so I feed them too. Huh, Russ? Yeah. Mom feeds them too. Huh, Missy feeds them? Does her feed the wild birds too? Oh, she does? Yeah? Yeah? Who does it? Yes, who does? Yes. Let's go see how our strawberries are doing. Yeah. Let's go see how our strawberries are. They're not doing that good this year, I don't think. They're little. They're tiny. Yeah. Picked a few of them, but they just don't seem to be doing that great this year. I don't know. Maybe the weather killed them. I don't know. Yeah, here's some. Did get a few. They look good. Thank you, Lord. Yep. Well, that's just one. Yep. Thank you, Lord. There it is. I don't know why it wasn't coming up. Yep. So red, right? Some strawberries in the store look so fake. They're tiny. They're good. I mean, they're not as good as those past. Pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Didn't get a new air conditioner. That thing was a fortune. Where are you at, Russ? I left the gate down. I don't know if I should have did that or not. Where are you at, bud? Let me see. You looking through the slats? I can see you. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is. Are you smiling? Yeah. Don't eat that. Look. Hey. I think you got some allergies or something. Hey. Hey, look. 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 Talking to you. Oh, there he is. He sees them, huh? Yeah, I left the gate open. I should go shut the gate. Yeah. So that way he don't get out. Put the gate up. Yeah. Put the gate up. That's a lot of noise. Put the gate. There we go. Just gotta get the gate up now. Yep. I'll put the phone down for a minute and get the gate. There we go. Yep. We don't got no berries this year either, I don't think, coming. I mean, they could be, but they're kind of small. Yeah. So, I don't know. They might come. I don't know. Maybe. It depends. Well, they're usually pretty big by this time. Yeah. No. I'm gonna sit down and relax. Alright. Have a good one, guys. Blessings, peace, love, joy.